probe, the accused, the wife Sonam, has now reached Shillong. She has been brought in by the police from Guwahati. Her arrival marks a crucial phase in the investigations. My colleague Pooja is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pooja, Sonam has now been brought to Shillong, the very place where her husband was killed, allegedly in a plot that was made by her. What are the details now that she has been brought to Shillong? How will the investigations proceed?
Well, late last night, Sonam Raghuvanshi, the prime accused identified in the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, who had landed at Guwahati airport, and from Guwahati she was brought to Shillong by road, and we're right now outside the Sadar police station. This is the very place where she was brought to after undergoing medical checkup. Remember, she came to Shillong late last night and she was taken to the hospital where she underwent medical checkup, and thereafter she remains inside the Sadar police station since last night. The four other accused persons, Raj Kushwaha, who has been identified as the mastermind in the case, and three other Supari killers, Akash, Anand and Vishal, will also be brought to Shillong. A short while ago, they landed at Guwahati airport and now are en route Siliguri. Once those four other accused persons arrive in Shillong, all the five accused persons in the murder case of Raja Raghuvanshi will be produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrates Court. However, once the four accused persons are brought to Shillong, first they will undergo medical test, and then they're likely to be brought to the Sadar police station, and all of them will be produced before the court today together.
Okay, all right. In fact, we'll come back to you for those updates. Now that she has been taken to Shillong, she will also be taken to the spot where the murder took place. And there will be a crime recreation as well, as the police officials are going to continue the investigations. In fact, let's tell our viewers the details of the story that had the entire nation asking, what is it that prompted a newlywed woman to plot a murder that would turn herself into a widow just 12 days into marriage? Meghalaya's Honeymoon Horror is a gruesome crime thriller where love and lies cross paths with blood and betrayal. Let's take you through the details of the entire murder that Sonam herself had written.
Four-year-old Sonam Raghuvanshi, who scripted the cold-blooded murder of her husband Raja Raghuvanshi while on their honeymoon in Meghalaya. On May 11th, Sonam got married to Raja in Indore. Just 5 days later, the plot to get rid of him was in the works. On May 16th, Sonam had a conversation with a lover, Raj Kushwaha, who worked as an accountant at the plywood business unit owned by Sonam's family. Sonam called herself a widow even before her husband's death. She told her lover Raj Kushwaha, "I'll marry you as a widow. Let's get rid of my husband Raja. We will pretend it was a robbery. If I become a widow, Dad will agree. Father will get me married to you."
मेरे भाई ने सोनम रघुवंशी के साथ 7 फेरों के साथ 7 जन्म का वादा किया था, और आज वो 7 दिन नहीं रह पाई उसके साथ। ऐसा क्या किया था मेरे भाई ने जो उसको मार डाला? अगर तेरे को नहीं पसंद था मेरा भाई, कोई और पसंद था तो भाग जाती, मारा क्यों उसको? मेरी मम्मी को देख रहे हो, उनकी कितनी हालत बुरी। भैया के पास बस मम्मी है, हमारे भैया को कैसे भी छुटवा दो। अंकल वैसे कभी नहीं कर सकता, मैं आपको बार बार बता रही हूँ कि हमने उसको बचपन से जानते, वैसे कभी नहीं कर सकता।
The plot was in place. The execution happened in Meghalaya, where the newly wedded couple went on May 21st. Just before the murder, Sonam spoke to her mother-in-law. Sonam talks about food, fasting, climbing mountains, acting calm and absolutely normal.
हेलो हेलो, हाँ मैं राजा का फोन चल रही हूँ। अभी नहीं हुआ, बस हम चढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हम ऊपर चढ़ गए फिर फोन लगाते हैं। और आज तो उपवास होगा फिर? मेरा तो उपवास है ना, मेरे को 2-3 बार बोल दिया मैंने, मैं घूमने के चक्कर में अपनी ग्यारस थोड़ी तोड़ूंगी। वही तो तेरी मैं अभी खरियार बना रही थी तो मेरे को एकदम से याद आ गई कि आज तो मेरे बहू का उपवास बापे। हाँ।
Sonam hired contract killers to do the job. The original plan was to throw Raja off a cliff and make it look like an accident. But Raja fought back, only to be struck with a machete. And when he still didn't go down, Sonam screamed, "Kill him." She even helped push Raja into the gorge.
कानून से मैं यही चाहती कि देखो मेरा तो बेटा चला गया और किसी का बेटा नहीं जाए, ऐसी लड़की सातिर पैदा हुए कि जो बच्चे को मरवा दे, तो ऐसी बच्ची को जीने का कोई हक नहीं, बस मैं यही चाहती हूँ।
अब दुख तो है, मिल भी गई है तो अभी हमको तो दुख ही है, छोरा चला गया। जब ये उल्टे इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं तो, और अब जो है वो तो जितना दुख घूमने का नहीं था उतना दुख ये उल्टा सीधा का होएगा हमको। तो अब जो भी है वो सामना हमको ही करना है, इसमें भी और उसमें भी, हम क्या कर सकते।
If that wasn't thrilling enough, here's a Supari angle. Sonam promised to pay the killers rupees 20 lakh and handed them rupees 15,000 as advance. This money came from Raja's own purse. That's not it. After the calculated and chilling murder came the cover-up bit. Sonam was online using Raja's social media account at 2:14 a.m. after the murder, posting "सात जन्मों का साथ है." The digital footprints helped cops nail the Black Widow. Bureau Report, Times Now.
We are breaking updates now coming in. Sonam and Raj are also suspected to be involved in Hawala business. Hawala transactions worth crores have been found in the mobile phone of Raj, the other accused, who is said to be the alleged lover of Sonam. The photo of currency notes used in Hawala have also been found in the phone, and Sonam's account was also allegedly used for these Hawala transactions. My colleague Makrand is joining us with these details. Makrand, so now it is being revealed in the investigations that not just had they planned this entire murder plot in detail, but there were also Hawala transactions. What are these details of these transactions that have been found in the account details of both Raj as well as Sonam?
जी, हवाला का ये ट्रांजैक्शन, उनके अकाउंट का ट्रांजैक्शन ये मोबाइल से मिला है पुलिस को, और पुलिस ने इस ट्रांजैक्शन को अब डिकोड करना शुरू किया है। पता ये भी चला है कि एक पीतमपुर के हवाला कारोबारी से 50,000 रुपए भी बोरो किए थे राज ने, और उसी पैसे को अपने 3 दोस्तों को दिया था शिलोंग जाने के लिए। इसके अलावा सोनम का अकाउंट भी यूज होता था हवाला नेटवर्क के लिए, राज ही उसको ऑपरेट कर रहा था, और सोनम जितने दिन बाहर रही है उसने राज के ही पेटीएम का इस्तेमाल किया है। तो ये सारे ट्रांजैक्शन जो है वो मोबाइल फोन के जरिए पुलिस को मिले हैं और उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है पुलिस। इसके अलावा अगर शिलोंग की बात की जाए तो वहां पर ये तीनों पहुंचे थे, और तीनों का प्लान ये था कि उसको धक्का देके पहले खाई में गिराना है और उसको हादसा साबित करना है, लेकिन वो प्लान एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुआ। राज चूंकि काफी स्ट्रांग था, वो तीनों पर हावी पड़ने लगा, इसलिए वहां पर चाकू से गर्दन पर वार किए गए, जिसकी वजह से राज की मौत हो गई। और उस दौरान सोनम ने भी हेल्प की थी हत्यारों की, ऐसी जानकारी सामने आ रही है। फिलहाल 120 लोगों की कुल टीम थी पुलिस अधिकारियों की, जिन्होंने ऑपरेशन हनीमून कंडक्ट किया। 40 से ज्यादा सीसीटीवी खंगाले हैं और उसके बाद कड़ियों को जोड़कर ये पूरा घटनाक्रम जो है उसको एक्सपोज किया है। अभी फिलहाल अलग अलग तरह के फैक्ट्स सामने आ रहे हैं। शिलोंग पुलिस इस मामले में इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है, जिनकी मदद इंदौर पुलिस कर रही है। सभी जो एक्यूज्ड है उनको शिलोंग ले जाया जा रहा है। सोनम शिलोंग गुवाहाटी के जरिए शिलोंग जा रही है, वहीं पहले दिल्ली और उसके बाद दिल्ली से शिलोंग के लिए जो इंदौर से आरोपी ले जाए गए हैं वो पहुंच रहे हैं। तो जाहिर है कि अब दोनों का आमना सामना होने के बाद, जो आरोपी इंदौर से गए हैं और सोनम, इनका आमना सामना होने के बाद बाकी जो फैक्ट्स है वो सामने आएंगे। जी,
Okay, all right, Makrand, stay with us. We'll come back to you for those details as the investigations continue. So today, after being brought to Shillong, they will be confronted with the evidence that the police officials have. Now, we also have some details of how it was on the wedding day that Raj had told Sonam to bring Raja to Shillong, and they had decided to finish him off. And that's when the entire decision had been taken, the entire murder plot being put in place. Thank you for joining us with those details, Makrand. With that, we're shifting our attention now.